Welcome to your channel JM News. Today we will teach you how to install a TV antenna on the roof of a family home. To perform the installation we will use a J-mount bracket, universal for antenna. So don't miss out on the content of this video. This installation will use a universal antenna J-mount bracket. One of the advantages that this J-type support allows us is that we can orient the antenna more easily. The steps that we will carry out for the installation of the universal support type J on the ceiling are the following. First step, we will make a cardboard template. We will take the sample from the base of support J. Let's see an example of the base made with cardboard. We make the 4 holes to facilitate the work when we use the electric drill to make the holes in the roof of the house. The second step, it consists of placing the cardboard template in the area of the ceiling where we will place the J-type support. Next we will use the electric drill with the appropriate wall barrier for the expansions that we are going to use. We will make the 4 holes indicated by the template. Third step, A. We place the lead expansions that we have. B. We will look for the base of the J-type support, universal. We will locate it where we mark the holes. C. Finally we place the 4 hexagonal head screws and tighten. Fourth step, we selected the type J tube which is approximately 20 inches long. Locate the same on the base rail. Put the bolts or screws together with their nuts. Now perform a J-type bracket movement test. Fifth step, for this installation I will use a 6-element UDA Yagi antenna with a gain of 12 dB. You can find this design here on your channel JM Actualidades. You can also download the measurements if you are interested in building this powerful antenna for television and watch all the channels with excellent quality. We invite you to subscribe. We will take the antenna and place it on the J-type tube of our support. We will feed the antenna towards the nearest repeater tower. For this we make the adjustment of the antenna moving to where it is necessary. Finally we hold in the right direction. In the next chapter we will make the connection of the antenna with the TV. Thank you for viewing this content on your JM News channel. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe. Goodbye.